If you're a car owner dealing with rough idle, poor acceleration, or dropping fuel economy, this video is for you. Today, I'm breaking down the 7 best fuel injector cleaners for 2026. From budget picks to professional-grade formulas mechanics actually use. All the links are in the description below. And stick around till the end, because the #1 pick is exactly what automakers themselves recommend. And it's going to surprise you. Let's dive in. Starting at number 7, the STP Ultra 5-in-1, the best fuel injector cleaner for first-time buyers in 2026. Most drivers ignore their fuel system until performance drops, and carbon deposits have already done real damage. The Ultra 5-in-1 solves that, a trusted polyether amine-based formula. First, the 5-in-1 formula cleans injectors, stabilizes fuel, fights friction, conditions the system, and reduces emissions. 1 bottle, 5 jobs. Next, polyether amine-based cleaning dissolves deposits rather than masking them. Finally, treats up to 21 gallons with no tools. Just pour and drive. Now, limitations. Not strong enough for seriously neglected engines. Needs consistent use. Won't clear a check engine light. Best for first-time buyers and routine maintenance drivers. Not for high-mileage engines or anyone needing an aggressive deep clean. At $10.78, the STP Ultra 5-in-1 is this list's easiest entry point. Tight budget? This gets the job done. At number 6, the Royal Purple Max Clean, the best step up for drivers wanting premium results. You've used basic additives, but the engine still feels sluggish. You want real credentials, not just another generic bottle. Royal Purple built its name on synthetic oil. Max Clean brings that to your fuel system. First, the 3-in-1 formula cleans injectors, stabilizes fuel, and enhances combustion. Most cleaners do 1 job. Max Clean does 3. Next, compatible with gasoline, diesel, E85, and biofuel blends. Finally, independent testing confirms reductions in carbon monoxide, nitrogen oxides, and hydrocarbon emissions. A real advantage for emissions-conscious drivers. Now, limitations. Not the highest polyether amine concentration. Severely clogged injectors may need something stronger. Impractical for frequent users. Best for performance brand loyalists and E85 drivers. Not for severely neglected engines. At $11.64, Max Clean delivers genuine performance with a name that carries real weight. Coming in at number 5, the Seafoam SF16, the best multi-use treatment for drivers who want 1 product for everything. You don't want 4 bottles. Seafoam handles injectors, oil, and fuel stability. The go-to for enthusiasts for generations. First, Seafoam works 3 ways. Add it to your fuel tank to clean injectors, mix into engine oil to clear buildup, or draw through a vacuum line for a direct upper engine clean. 3 applications, 1 product. Next, works on gasoline and diesel, 2-stroke and 4-stroke, and small equipment. Finally, doubles as a stabilizer for stored vehicles. Now, limitations. Not the highest polyether amine concentration. Creates significant smoke via vacuum method. Not for direct injection engines. Best for multi-vehicle owners and seasonal storage. Not for drivers needing maximum cleaning on a clogged engine. At $12.99, Seafoam delivers more versatility per dollar than anything else here. This is it. At number 4, the Cataclean Complete Engine, the best option for drivers with a check engine light or upcoming emissions test. Your check engine light is on. P0420, catalytic converter below threshold. Most shops quote thousands. Before paying, try Cataclean. No other consumer cleaner targets the full exhaust system this directly. First, Cataclean cleans the catalytic converter, oxygen sensors, diesel particulate filter filters, and exhaust gas recirculation valves, plus injectors. Full exhaust and fuel system in one bottle. Next, simultaneously removes deposits from injectors, valves, and combustion chambers, a complete clean. Finally, safe for gasoline, diesel, and hybrid engines. Now, limitations. Won't fix a failed converter. Results vary. Requires running the tank nearly empty first. Best for drivers with P0420 codes and upcoming smog tests. Not for routine maintenance or vehicles with a damaged converter. At $27.95, Cataclean is the targeted solution that could save you thousands. Check engine light on? This is where you start. Number 3. The Liqui Moly Jectron, the best injector cleaner for European vehicle owners wanting original equipment manufacturer level maintenance. You drive a BMW, Volkswagen, Mercedes, or Audi. These engines have tighter tolerances. Generic cleaners weren't built for them. Jectron was. Made in Germany. First, Jectron cleans injectors, combustion chambers, intake valves, and fuel lines while providing corrosion protection. Most cleaners only clean. Jectron cleans and protects. Next, restores fuel atomization, how injectors break fuel into a fine mist. When this degrades, power and economy suffer. Jectron restores it. Finally, use it every 1,200 miles, and your system stays near new. Now, limitations. Built for port-injected engines. Most vehicles after 2012 use direct injection, and DI Jectron is correct for those. Best for European car owners on a regular schedule. Not for direct injection engines or drivers wanting one aggressive clean. At $13.99, Jectron delivers professional European engineering that makes regular use practical. Quick reminder, if you're finding this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe. All links are in the description. Now let's get to the top 2, where things get serious. Number 2, the Redline SI1, the best high-performance cleaner for serious carbon buildup. You have years of deposits basic cleaners have never reached. You need something at a chemical level. Redline was built by racing engineers. First, Redline contains approximately 30% polyethyramine, the highest concentration of that cleaning compound in any consumer product. Polyethyramine dissolves carbon rather than softening it. More means a deeper clean. Next, dual temperature detergent system. High-temp detergents attack combustion deposits, while low-temp detergents clean injector tips. Most address one range. Redline addresses both. Finally, lubricates upper cylinder components while cleaning, reducing wear on valve stems and walls, cleaning and protecting. Now, limitations. Overkill for newer engines. Gasoline only. Treats one tank. Best for high-mileage engines and pre-emissions treatment. Not for routine maintenance or diesel. At $15.99, Redline SI1 is the most powerful fuel cleaner you can pour in a tank. Want real performance? This is your product. And the number 1 pick? The cleaner automakers themselves put their name behind, and the price will genuinely surprise you. The number 1 best fuel injector cleaner for 2026 is the Chevron Techron Concentrate Plus, the original equipment manufacturer recommended formula trusted by engineers who built your engine. Chevron developed it, and major automakers, including Toyota and Honda, adopted it as their official recommendation. This is what the people who designed your engine trust. First, Techron's patented polyethyramine formula cleans injectors, intake valves, combustion chambers, and carburetors in one tankful. One treatment, full system, done. Next, compatible with every ethanol blend, including E85. Whatever fuel you run, Techron handles it. Finally, eliminates deposit-related knock, ping, rough idle, and cold start problems. Symptoms most drivers accept, not knowing one treatment can fix them. Also, protects fuel sending units against sulfur corrosion, a failure point no other product here addresses. One limitation: gasoline only. Best for every gasoline vehicle owner, daily drivers, performance builds, and direct injection engines. Not for diesel engines. At $12.99, Techron delivers original equipment manufacturer credibility and full system cleaning. This is the one. And there you have it, the 7 best fuel injector cleaners for 2026. Drop a comment below and let me know which one you're going with and what's your engine situation. All the links are in the description. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.